Hey guys, check out this electric chainsaw I have here from EWORK. Alright, here's everything that came in the box. I got the saw unit itself, blade cover, protector, the bar and the chain, and then the directions. Look at this here, this is your chain tightener. It's got anti-kickback here. See that? Right there. That'll stop the chain, the blade. This is where you put your bar oil right here. The blade turns that way and it gives you a directional arrow right there. So the thing's going to go on like that. This is going to go on like that right there. Now we just take our cover, put it on right there. Now we can just fasten it down there just like that. Now we just got to put some bar oil in this thing. That easy. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the bar oil right here. There's a minimum and there's the max right there. Overall, really happy with the performance of this chainsaw. Thanks for watching, everybody.